Meaning of day care center.
Daycare center.
Daycare center.
Daycare center.
Daycare center. A daycare center is a facility that provides care and supervision for young children during the day when parents or guardians are at work or otherwise unavailable. Daycare centers can be licensed or unlicensed, and may operate in private homes, churches, schools, or other community locations. The staff at a daycare center are trained to provide a safe and nurturing environment for children to learn, play, and socialize with their peers. Daycare centers can be an important resource for families who need affordable, reliable childcare while they pursue work or other activities.